Okay, got to speak real loud. I'm using the John Deere 730 here to disc over some ground, trying to get ready to plant soybeans. The ground's pretty nice. There's a couple of wet spots that I've had to mess around with and go past, but this field, if you wait for it to dry, it'll be the 4th of July before you get anything planted. Anyway, I've posted this tractor many times in different videos, different usages. And I normally don't use it for disking the first time over. I actually hooked up to my John Deere 630 and was starting out with that, but it made a terrible sound. I think I broke a tooth off of the second gear, so I've had to retire him until I can get into it and look at what's actually wrong with it. It did get back to the barn fine, but that sounded pretty bad. Anyway, today I'm pulling this little John Deere, I think it's an RWA. Let me look here. Yeah, it's an RWA disc and a fixed cut. And the fellow that bought it ahead of me did some nice stuff with it. He put new blades on it. It's got all the scrapers. He built this harrow here on the back, which is kind of cool. It helps level things. And then he added some permanent weight to it, which pretty heavy duty. Anyway, this does a good job over the plowed ground, getting everything kind of leveled out and chopped up a bit. And then I usually cold mulch the thing twice after this, and it should be ready to plant then. This part of the field usually works up pretty well. Like I said, it's got a couple of wet spots in it, but not too bad. Anyway, I'm going to get on the tractor like I usually do. I'll take you down the road here a little bit, let you hear it run and operate. And again, I thank you for watching my videos, and God bless you.